There's no air coming out the vents. I'm gonna check the fuse first and then go down to the blower motor and check it. So, like I said, I'm gonna check the fuse for the hvac sleeper. Check this one. That's good. If I can find a 20, I'll put a 20 back in it. I don't see any other ones for the HVAC. I'm gonna just check the power getting to the blower motor. Before I pull the blower motor out, we'll look up the other fuse for the HVAC, and the 30 should be going to the blower motor itself. That's good. Then the 15, which would be a 5, that goes to the AC controls. That's working. And when I switch to temp, but I'm gonna still check at the blower motor because it's not coming on. So I'm gonna pull the dash out, or the lower part of the dash, and check to see if power getting to the blower motor. Vent tube down so I can get the bolts out. And plug the blower motor. Just check power. It does have a little corrosion in it. Looks like it got a broken prong itself. We'll check the power going. Orange should be 12 volts constant. That's the one that got the broken prong in it. And the black should be positive, negative. So we're getting voltage to it. Pretty sure just a broken prong from the blower motor. This one is the 5 volt constant. This one should be, when you change it, the fan speed. So this should go up when you change it. The fan speed from the knob, which it should change. Yeah, it did go up. So I do know the plug does need to be changed itself. Blower motor, and you got a built-in, has a built-in resistor. Yep, broken prong. the third one, which is the 12 volt. Yeah. Gotta get another blower motor, and then let me just replace the plug too. On it. I'm installing the new plug. Come about a foot worth of wire. But use some butt connectors and put it back together. Connector put on there, got it plugged back in. I'm gonna test it out now.